World Health Organization, more than 400,000 people died from malaria last year. But a company in Rushford is developing a device that may put a dent in that number. We first introduced you to Rushford NanoBioMedical Instruments late last year after it created a faster test for chronic wasting disease. Now it's expanding on that technology. ABC 6 News reporter Roxanne Elias tells us it could soon be used to detect malaria and other diseases much more quickly.
And originally we were just going to do this with chronic wasting disease, but as we've developed and added more, we're announcing, we're looking at things like malaria and cholera and Ebola.
Kevin Klungtvedt with Rushford NanoBioMedical Instruments has developed the device he says can detect those diseases.
We bought the process from the University of Delaware. This process enables us to deposit the nanoparticles, and by doing that we can enhance the ELISA test with portability, more sensitivity, rapid testing.
The ELISA test is a traditional test used to detect nearly 200 different diseases. The problem is it can take up to a week to get results. RNI says its device, which doesn't have a name yet, will do the same thing in just 30 minutes. They say the faster the diagnosis, the sooner treatment can start.
But that technology is there. It just wasn't buildable because people didn't know how to efficiently, economically place the particles.
The Rushford-based company says it has completed a proof of concept which shows its device works. This week it shared the technology with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. We reached out to the CDC Friday. It declined to comment. We also reached out to Mayo Clinic to see what it thought of the device. Its response: we don't comment on products or speculate on what we might or might not do unless we were involved with the development or research. Still, RNI has high hopes the device will help save lives if and when it's approved for use.
Non-medical professionals will be able to utilize this wherever the need is.
At the end of the day, you got to have something that will help people.
In Rushford, Roxanne Elias, ABC 6 News.
And the company does say the device should be ready in a few months, but will need to go through some regulations. Meanwhile, the device to test for chronic wasting disease in deer should be on the market next year.